Vicky Bio. In our last videos, we have discussed about reproduction in flowering plants. We have discussed about एंड्रोशियम मीन्स मेल गैमेटोफाइट क्या होता है, मेल गैमेटोफाइट में कैसे बनते हैं, क्या प्रोसीजर होता है. उसके बाद देन आफ्टर दैट आई अपलोडेड अ वीडियो रिलेटेड टू द ovules, types of ovules, how many types of ovules are there. Why I have explained that videos. मैंने ओव्यूल इसलिए पहले पढ़ाया है क्योंकि जब मैं आपको ये गाइनोशियम पढ़ाऊँगी तो इसमें एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है ओव्यूल की स्ट्रक्चर्स. तो इसलिए मैंने पहले ओव्यूल्स की डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर्स पढ़ाई थी कि ओव्यूल्स कितने टाइप के होते हैं. तो इफ़ यू वांट टू सी दैट वीडियो ऑल्सो देन आई विल शेयर द लिंक बिलो द वीडियो. एंड वन मोर थिंग, I suggest you to see that video before it, right? So we are starting our next topic, and that topic name is gynoecium, right? Gynoecium means female part, right? Like androecium means male part, and gynoecium means female part, right? So gyno means mainly gynecologist, यानी कि female's body part structure reading one lady or a person, right? So gynoecium is the female part. What are the other names of gynoecium? Pistil and carpel. These are the other two names for gynoecium. Okay. As it is written there that gynoecium is the female reproductive organ, right? And it is the last role. And before that there is androecium, right? And what is there in this structure? There are three basic things, that is style, stigma, ovary. This is the stigma, this is the style, and this is the ovary, right? And this stigma is the platform where the male gamete come, that is pollen grain, that will come and sit, right? So it provides a landing platform, right? So style, stigma, ovary are the components of pistil. Up now, ovary produce ovules, means inside the ovary, this is the ovary, this portion is the ovary, and inside the ovary there is ovule, right? This is the ovule. If like for say, if you can see this diagram also here, this is the wonderful picture. In this I have, this is the stigma, this is the style, and this portion is ovary, right? And when there is a section, and you can see this is ovule, right? Okay, what is this? What this is called placenta. See, if this is the human body mother's womb, right? Mother's womb means garbhashya, right? So if it is mother's body womb, and in that there is a baby, the baby is connected to the mother body by a cord, and that attachment is known as placenta. Means this placenta is going to provide nutrition to the baby. In the same sense, these ovules are baby for the ovary, right? So these ovules attach to the ovary with a structure, and that structure is known as placenta, right? Further we will learn about placenta, that how these ovules are attached. Like human body, there is no such kind of attachment. There is a simple cord and baby is attached to it, right? That's it. But when you will learn in the plants, you will get to know that there are different kind of attachment. One of the kind of placenta attachment is this. So this is placenta, this structure, right? And these are the ovule. Okay, now going back to our topic. So just a minute. Yes, so stigma is the landing platform, style is elongated part, and just allow the passage of pollen tube, right? Now basal bulge part is called ovary, and ovary is on the thalamus. Means if this is your flower, so on the thalamus there is a structure. If you will see the example of रोज़ के नीचे एक मोटा जो पोर्शन होता है, एक उसे कहते हैं थैलेमस, और थैलेमस के ऊपर होती है ओवरी. रोज़ इज़ अ बेस्ट एग्जांपल टू सी ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ फ्लावर इन अ प्रॉपर वे, right? So and China rose is a good example to see the parts of male and female gamete, right? So there it is. Basal part is known as ovary, and ovary is situated in the thalamus, and inside the ovary locules are there. Locules is also known as ovules. Both are the same thing, right? And this space, like uterus, this baby is there, so in the same sense this space is known as ovarian cavity, right? And placenta, this is what I have explained you earlier. Now next topic is Next line is ovule is also known as integument megasporangium. Before understanding integument megasporangium, we should know what is megasporangium. Like I in the previous video I have explained you microsporangium. So this is megasporangium. Mega word is generally used for female, and sporangium means a structure which is going to produce spores, a female female gamete, right? So it is megasporangium, a structure which is going to produce female gamete. Next is integument. Integument means in the female ovule, an integument structure is there, that's why megasporangium is there. Integument megasporangium I have already explained you in the video types of ovule. I suggest, once again I said, please see that videos, right? Okay, now this is the structure of ovule. In the structure of ovule, this is the basic structure, right? This is, if I will say how the ovules look like, so in the middle there is an embryo sac. Then embryo sac is covered with the layers, and that layer is integument. These layers are integument. Then this portion is funicle. Raphe I will explain. This portion is funicle. Nucellus, this, see this portion, this embryo sac is there na, wait a minute, right, just a minute, right, this embryo sac is there na, and this is integument, right, this is integument. So the portion, the rest portion, that portion that is filled, this is this portion is looking you empty, but it is not empty, it is filled with parenchymatous cells, and these cells are known as nucellus, right? This mass of cells is known as nucellus. Okay, this is egg apparatus or embryo sacs. This is polar nuclei and all the things I will explain you. Okay, in the embryo sac there are two sides, like we will say two, if we will see, this is human being, then there are two sides of human being na, front one and back one, right? In the same sense, ovule has two sides, upward and lower one. Lower one side, the opening side, is known as micropyle, and opposite to the opening side there is a the set side is known as chalaza side. Okay, what is micropyle, right? Micro means male. Whenever a micro word comes, male gamete should be strike in your mind. Pile means rasta, so that way from which male gamete enter, that is known as micropyle, right? Now after this there is just, yes, so now after this, okay, now after this there is where it is, yes, there it is. So ovule lacking funicle is known as sessile, means there, if there is no funicle, this holding portion is not there, then this ovule is known as sessile, right? And unitegmic means gamopetalae, means one gamete, one petalae is there. Bitegmic, or simple meaning is, simple is when there is one integument, one layer of integument, unitegmic. When there is two layer of integuments, then it is bitegmic. When there is no layer of integuments, then it is ategmic, right? And ategmic example is very common, they ask you so many times, Lorenthus, right? So raphe is the portion when funicle fused with the ovule. You can see this should be like this is integument, and there should be proper separate portion of funicle. But you might have observed here that funicle is not separated, there is no gap, it is, even though it is attached. So this portion which is attached, it should be like this, wait a minute, it should be like this, ki there should be no this one attachment, and it should be like this, as then it is free one, right? But it is not like this, it is how it is attached. So that's why it is raphe, because funicle is attached to the ovule, right? So next topic, next term is in mature seed perisperm is there. This is the one they can ask you in one word, that's why I have written this thing. Next is caruncle, very important. Outgrowth of outer integument towards micropyle. That means what does it mean? See, if this is the integument, right, and instead of this portion, if this integument is show a little bit more growth, so that the micropyle end, become very shrinked, so this outer growth is known as this outer growth is known as caruncle, right? So next is the in the next thing, okay, yes, ovule have which have stalk is funicle. Funicle is attached to the placenta and other body with the, this is just a minute, right? Funicle singular term is funiculus. Chalaza, okay. Hilum na, hilum या hilum, it's all about your pronunciation. Okay, hilum is the place of attachment of funicle with the body of ovule is known as hilum. That means it is, see, it is not a separated, but if I will make it separated, matlab, this is fused one na. If I will give you unfused one example like this, see, then I can tell you the hilum example. Okay, just a minute, right? So if it is this, this is the point of attachment na, then this point of attachment is known as hilum, right? Now hilum is the junction between ovule and funicle. Okay, now we are moving to our next topic, and that is megasporogenesis. Megasporogenesis means how the megasporogenesis occur. We have discussed about the structure of female gametophyte. In the next video we will learn more about megasporogenesis, that how this megaspore, how this, we will learn in the next video that how this structure is formed, right? So we will learn this about this in the next video. Stay learning, and please like, subscribe and share, and thanks to seeing.